For my next video, I'd like to do one on the new One UI 9 Beta 3. So right now, all this is available on is the Samsung S26 Ultra. And they just updated it to Beta 3, and this is obviously a beta. So I want to go over all the different changes. I, again, don't really notice a whole lot of changes on here. I think a lot of them are internal or for people that have had problems, and knock on wood, I've had no problems with any betas. I've had a few apps that don't work quite like they used to, but that's just simply because the app isn't up to date, so I don't really fault that. So anyway, let's get into it, as I like to say. So update your phone using mobile data to download may result in charges, blah blah blah. Wi-Fi is recommended, and this is the version One UI 9, and it ends in ZZFY. So if you don't end in ZZF7, I'm sorry, geez, I can't even talk here. ZZF7, if it doesn't end in that, you don't have the most up-to-date version. So bugs that have been fixed, improved errors related to the privacy display when setting routines or toggling the quick panel on off, fixed an issue where part of the camera preview screen was cropped under certain conditions, fixed an issue where widget information such as weather and battery on the lock screen was not updated correctly, improved focus accuracy when using the 30-time camera zoom. That'll be neat. I'm going to have to try that one. Fixed an issue where the home screen would not swipe left or right when using the pen. Fixed an issue with the My Apps app, My Files app, where the file list could not be scrolled to the end. Fixed an issue where the background screen would intermittently turn white while receiving a call. See, none of these things I've had. None of them. So, fixed an issue where the device would reboot once during video streaming. Fixed an issue where the background would appear black and pulling down the status bar. That's weird. Learn more at, and if you click that, it really doesn't say a whole lot. It doesn't say any of this. It just says that this is also the newest security patch, and it says some security patch fixes. Nothing real specific. So, and of course, then the regular, after the update, Samsung apps can be updated to the latest available versions. And this is One UI version 9, and it's based off of Android version 17, not 18, version 17. And again, it ends in ZZF7, like I said, not Y on the end. ZZF7. The size is 1.6 gig or 1,671 megabytes. So not tiny, not huge for a system update, but certainly not tiny. And again, security patch level June 5th, so we're at the most secure. So let me just go through this real quick on how you update. First off, you have to belong to the beta version update, and you go into that by going into Samsung members. I think it's closed by now. They only leave it open for so long. So we'll try it. Let's see here. Beta program. I don't think I can do anything else because I'm already in it. So we see we have the third beta update. But this is what you do, how to join it. Join the beta test. Let's see if it says here. Maybe they're still available to get into it. Leave me a comment down below and let me know if it's still open. They usually don't keep them open very long. They only want so many people into it and not overloading everything. So anyway, once you do that, then you go in like you're going to do an update. Go software update, and then check for updates. You'll see that I'm on One UI 9.0 right now, and I have the most up-to-date software because I just updated my software just a little bit ago. So you can see software information, and again, that's what I'm on, ZZF7. So that's the most current up-to-date. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.